looking at a balance sheet on one given day, it's nice to know, but you really want to know trend analysis. So like, is cash growing? Like, am I growing cash every month? Are my receivables not growing? Like, I want to make sure that people are actually paying me. Is there, looking at the fixed assets, is the buyer, investing in CapEx? Are they putting money back into the project? Because you don't want to buy a property that's been underinvested in and you've got a big CapEx surprise. You take over an asset and then you realize, oh, I've got to, say it was an office building, I've got to spend $250,000 replacing the whole HVAC system that I didn't budget for. Looking at payables, make sure they're not growing. Look at loans. I mean, there's a lot of, IO loans today, but are they timely on their debt service? Is the mortgage balance moving down? Some of it is trends. And then there's a bunch of financial ratios, like a quick ratio where it's like your current assets to your current debt. Do you have enough? If you didn't collect rent next month, is there enough cash that you can make your obligations? Can I make my mortgage payment? I also look at reserves. So, that's not your operating account, but am I properly reserved for my tax payment that's going to be due in December? Am I properly reserved for CapEx? Do I have reserves for insurance? All those different things. Generally speaking, real estate you're not keeping excess cash. That's the game of real estate, is you're distributing that to your investors. And especially if you're raising third-party money, no sponsor wants to go and ask for more capital. So you want to keep enough capital that you can honor all of your obligations, but not have to go back and ask for investors for a check.